This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream Kulfi. First, gather your ingredients, including 1 liter of full-fat milk, about 100 grams of sugar, and any flavorings you desire, like cardamom or pistachios. Next, prepare a heavy-bottomed pan and a whisk. Make sure all your equipment is clean and ready to go. This preparation ensures a smooth cooking process. Now, pour the milk into your heavy-bottomed pan and bring it to a gentle simmer over medium-low heat. It's crucial to stir the milk continuously to prevent it from sticking to the bottom and burning. Continue simmering until the milk reduces by about 1/3 of its original volume. This slow reduction process concentrates the flavors and creates that signature creamy Kulfi texture. Once the milk has reduced, remove it from the heat and let it cool slightly. Now, stir in your 100 grams of sugar until it fully dissolves. This is also the perfect time to add your flavorings, like a half teaspoon of cardamom powder or chopped pistachios. Pour the cooled mixture into Kulfi molds or small cups, then freeze them for at least 6 hours, or ideally overnight, for the best set. To serve your delicious homemade Kulfi, briefly dip the molds in warm water for a few seconds. This helps loosen the Kulfi, making it easy to unmold. Garnish with some chopped nuts, like almonds or pistachios, or a sprinkle of saffron strands for an extra touch of elegance. Enjoy this refreshing treat, and hey, for other great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check out the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.